how to recover deleted chat in Microsoft Teams. I'll explain how this works. Let's say that you have typed a message here and you have sent it and then you wanted to delete it. So if you click on more options here and delete, you will get a brief undo window which you can just click on it to restore the message. But what if you have missed that opportunity? If you have missed it, then I want you to read this. Here, sometimes administrative recovery is the option, which basically means your IT admin. You can recover older messages if your organization has enabled compliance retention policies or legal holds. So basically what that means is that your IT admin might have access to your messages and they might be saved there. So you will need to contact your IT admin, so that means your organization's admin, and you can recover messages which have been deleted that way. I hope this video answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.